Hi, this is Cassie from Wellspring Clinic. I'm a licensed acupuncturist in BC, Canada, and CA, California, USA. So I've been working at Wellspring Clinic more than 21 years and practice in the field of TCM more than 35 years.
Hi, Kathy. So I'm happy to be able to chat with you again today. So I would like to know that last time you talked about that in traditional Chinese medicine, we consider the body is as a holistic being, that our internal organs are all connected with one another. So I'm wondering, how do traditional medicine also, in our theory, how do we understand human body connection with the external world, like such as our environment and in the nature.
Yes, so because it's holistic, right? Our body is holistic, and also our body to the nature is also holistic. That means we're all connected. So if we are all connected, you have to follow the nature. Otherwise, if we are not connected, we have no relationship. We're not related to each other. How do I must follow them right here? Because we are related, we are holistic, we are part of it. So it's better we follow the natural rule.
I see. So
Otherwise, you broke it, right?
How in particular, how do we follow the natural rule?
So in a simple way, for example, now it's winter time, almost winter time. So it's better you sleep early and wake up late. So follow the sun. If the sun already settled down, it's better you do some rest. And when the sun rises up, then you wake up. If it's very dark and you say, I want to go out to do some jogging, do exercise, probably it's not good.
Oh, why is that?
Because we're not follow the nature, right? The nature is all dark, so the sun is not sunrise yet. So that means everybody is rest. Then it's better you do some rest. You don't do those kind of very vigorous exercise. Also, like later, for example, after 9 o'clock, evening time, the winter time, it's supposed to settle down. You could do meditation or very gentle exercise, but don't do very hard exercise. And try to slow down yourself and try to go to bed early. So that's for example, that's winter. And the summer is opposite. You probably, it's better you wake up early. And you could get more sunshine from the sun, right? And go to bed also late. I cannot say summertime I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. That's probably very hard. It's still very still bright, right? So that means we follow the natural. This is the 4th season. So nature had a lot of ways. The 4th season is natural, right? One of the natural, and it's a day night or it's a nighttime. It's a natural way, right? So we have to follow it to make ourselves part of it. Don't say we are human being. We are we can do anything that we want to do. We have to follow the nature to be part of it, to follow their rule. So just say it, make it a balance. Maintain our body health to make our body more balanced, because our body have a lot of natural ability to fighting all those bad things, right? No medicine. Yes, weather is bad weather, like a bacteria, virus, right? We have this. Yes, we have this ability, and even some very bad emotion or mood, right? This different feeling, our body also could deal with it. For example, I'm very grieved for now. I'm very sad. I'm depressed a little bit. So if our body could be always balanced, have this, or I could say, our energy is enough, then we should have this ability to deal or to fighting or not to fighting or to try to make all those things balanced. So how to do that? That's so try to be in tune with nature as much as you can, right? And if sometimes it's too much imbalance, then we have to use acupuncture, herbal medicine, meditation, all those to give some actual help. But generally, we could use our body own ability or healing power to deal with all those things. So like acupuncture or herbal medicine, especially acupuncture, you will see we just use needles, right, to stimulate certain points.
Yes.
We didn't give you anything, right? Or maybe acupuncturist or doctor could give you some his energy to the patient, maybe. But basically, we just stimulated certain points on a certain meridian, and then stimulate your body's own healing power, all those energy, all those balanced ability to make yourself better. Yes. So I mentioned that meridian, all these points, acupuncture. So our whole body had 12 main meridians. 12, yes. And this 12 also is very interesting. It's also connected to 12 times. How to say that? So whole day, 24 hours. Each 2 hours belong to one meridian. Yes. So I would say one meridian just related to 2 hours. For this 12 hours, 24 hours, total have 12 meridian. So for example, if some people always wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, at that time also it happened belong to the lung meridian. So if you always wake up at that time, we could think maybe your lung had some problem. Yes, yeah. And why we usually say wake up between 7 to 9, because that time is your digester, your stomach should do some absorb the food, and then go to washroom to detox, right? Bowel movement. And also why we suggest people should go to sleep before 11 o'clock, because 11 to 1 is liver meridian. So that's a detox. Liver is our biggest detox organ in our body, right? So if you always sleep after 11, it probably would damage.
Our body
cannot recover. Yes, we cannot recover ourselves, right? If we always do this, so the liver will have this strain, right? Then the liver detox will be maybe reduced or will be damaged. It's not good for your health. So try to be in tune with nature as much as you can, and follow the natural way. Don't go too much.
Thank you, Kathy. So now I understand that it's very important we don't overstrain our body. We should always go with the nature and live the natural way.
Yes. So if we think we are holistic, part of this natural, this whole natural, right? Then we will follow them.
Thank you, Kathy. See you next time.